Hi there, hi boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, not in today's newspaper of Thursday, December the 9th, 2021, because today we have no extra puzzles. So I have decided to solve the edition of November the 30th on Tuesday. Yes. I believe 9 days ago. We have 4 puzzles left, and 2 puzzles I've already solved, the 1 star and the 2 stars. And 2 puzzles, the tectonic I need to do, and the binary. I'm going to do it now, and yeah, this binary will be number 3806, I believe. Yes, 3806. All right. What kind of binary is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Then yeah. Then I need to think. Yeah. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Okay. Yeah. Think. Well. How about? Come on, it's taking too long. Can I compare? No. Cannot compare. How about double 010? Different. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Wow, you need to look for it. 0011 empty box. 11 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. And I think we need to compare again. Do we have here double 1 here? No. Oh, here, 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 yeah. This column, I believe, and the last column. 1 empty box. 001100110 empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between the 1's comes an O. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, great binary. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle of today. Yes, see you then. Bye-bye for now.